Yo, what is going on, guys? It is TheDevKing here, back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys if statements and else if statements. So it's pretty simple, nothing really too hard to understand, but basically all it is like an else statement is like if the if statement is not true, then it will run the else statement because that's what it else I guess is. That makes any sense. But and then else ifs are a little bit like else ifs, but I'll show you what I mean in a second. So let's go ahead and insert a script. So script, and we have a script, and now let's go ahead and make a variable. So we'll do local hot dogs is equal to 3, and then we can do if hot dogs is equal to 3, then print hot dogs is equal to 3. Okay, so basically what this does is it will run and it sees that hot dog is equal to 3, so it will print 3. Okay, you guys know it'll print 3, that's obvious, right? But let's say we changed hot dogs to 2. Okay, now if we changed hot dogs to 2, this entire thing just wouldn't run. Like if hot dogs wouldn't run, because if hot dogs is equal to 3 is then not, we wouldn't do the then because hot dogs isn't equal to 3, so this whole thing would just be ignored. Now if we did an else statement like this, okay, if we did an else statement and printed hot dogs isn't equal to 3, here I'll change this back to 3, then if it's not, okay, so basically an else statement will run if this condition is not true. Okay, that's kind of how to break it down. So we'll go ahead and run it right now, and it's just going to print hot dogs is equal to 3, because if hot dogs is equal to 3, then print that, right? But if we change like this is equal to 2, then it's going to print hot dogs isn't equal to 3, and that's because it didn't run this, or it didn't run this one because it ran the else statement because it wasn't true. Okay, so basically it will run whatever else. No, it's not. I mean, okay, okay. Listen, hot dogs, or if statements will run if it's true. Else statements will run if the condition in the if statement is not true. Okay, that's basically how to break it down in the simplest. Okay, so else if statements. So else ifs are kind of similar to if statements. It's just like adding another if statement. So here, I'll show you what I mean. So we can do else if, right? We're gonna type in else if. We're gonna type in else if hot dogs is equal to 3, then. And then you have this, and then you can do another one here, and you can do else hot dogs is equal to, or no, my bad, hot dogs is equal to 5, then, or no, my bad, don't put an else statement there, but yeah, there's an else statement, and then we'll print none of the if statements ran. Okay, and now we have here, we can delete this, we can just do hot dogs is equal to 3, and then this one will be hot dogs is equal to 2, and then we can make as many of these else if statements as we want. Basically it's just like another if statement. Okay, you delete the else though here because you don't only need that many else. You only need one else, and that's at the end. So yeah, so basically what will happen is it's going to see that hot dogs is equal. Okay, let me go change this real quick though. It's going to see that hot dogs is equal to 3, right? The variable. And now it says to itself, okay, if hot dogs is equal to 2, then do this. Okay, hot dogs is not equal to 2. Let's go to the next else if. Okay, so else if is like another if. So else if hot dogs is equal to 3, hot dogs is equal to 3. So we're going to go into the code and do or output this code. And the code is print hot dogs is equal to 3. So let's go ahead and run it. And as you can see here, it'll print that because that's what the condition is. The condition is true. And now if we change this to 4, it will go through all of these, be like, okay, this is true, or this is not true, next, this is not true, next, okay, this is true, and then we'll see, okay, what code we have to run. Okay, we're gonna run this code, print hot dogs is equal to 4, so it's gonna print hot dogs is equal to 4. So yeah, and then of course if this was equal to anything else, or if it wasn't equal to any of these things, so if all of these came back false, like this if statement, or this if statement, and this if statement, if all these came back false, then it would print the else statement. So, right here, and it'll say none of the if statements ran, because that's what's under the else statement, because, you know, it went through all these and none of these were true. So it's like else, well, then we'll do this. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much else if statements and else statements. So pretty simple stuff. If you don't understand, like always, leave a comment. I'll try to answer your questions. Last time I had a comment by a guy named Legends. Hopefully I answered his question well. So Legends, if you saw that, if I answered your question, then I'm happy I did. But if you're still confused, then make sure to leave another comment, bro. I don't want you to be confused. Alright, yeah. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in tomorrow's. Peace.